I built my very first custom keyboard. For the layout, I didn't really know which to go with, a 65% or 75%, but then I realized I need those F keys, so I went with the 75%. I was gonna go for the JMK Pro, but then saw some reviews that complained about the input delay, so I chose the Keychron Q1 V2. For the switches, I went with the Gateron Oil Kings. The Gateron or Gateron, I have no idea. This is free-leaved and sounds good. Thanks to Yaginator for the help, by the way, very cool guy. For the keycaps, I went with the Idabao MA Blue Cap PBT Die Subs keycaps because they look decent and weren't at like $100 like the GMK keycaps. Here's the sound test.